The string ljust method in Python right-fills a string with a character to reach a desired length. Let's set up some quick code to see how ljust works. We'll have a string s called hi. Then we will call ljust on hi with an argument of 4. This means we want the string s to reach a length of 4. Let's run it and see what happens. From the printout, you can see that hi now has a length of 4 because ljust added 2 space characters to the right of hi. Alright, what happens if you pass in a length less than or equal to the length of the string? Let's pass in 0 to ljust to see what happens. Nothing happened. When you pass in a length less than or equal to the length of the string, the original string is returned. Okay, back to numbers greater than the length of the string. Let's pass in 4 and ty to ljust. This gives you an error. The fill character that you pass into ljust must be exactly 1 character long. Okay, finally let's pass in a legal fill character. We can pass in 4 and t to ljust. This gives you the string hitst. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.